Hello friends and lovers. So today I just want to do a quick explanation because of beginners. So I will be attaching a sequence to this turban. I have prepared the base, added handle, and also I have smoked the body pleats, and what I need to use is ready. So I'm going to create the bed for the loop. That's what I just did now. So this is the bed we are going to be using. So you place it on the middle, okay, and then place the right side of your material to face down on it. So if you are not going to add any extra material, you are just using one material and you intend to have this loop or this bed on it, then you will just place it the way you see me placing it now. Place your material the right side facing down. When you turn it, this is how it will look. The bed will be there, and then you can take it across the fabric and then take the extra one under and sew it, and you are good to go. But we are going to be having the sequence on our own. So because of that, I will now show you how to add the sequence. Number one, you have to make sure that the sequence is the same size with your body pleated material, your plain fabric. All right, so the sequence should be the same size with that plain fabric. So if your fabric is, let me say 30 by, let me say 15 by, that is width now, let me say your width is 15 and then your length is 28 or your length is 30, that's the same thing you will do. But normally for the width of my cap, I don't do up to 15, I do 12. So, but you can do anything that is convenient, especially when you know that you will be putting a turban lifter. Okay, so this is it. Now we want to place it. We place the base, then we place the bed. Let the bed go in a little because you will need the excess to sew it when you are turning it over. So don't make it too close to the base. Okay, then you will now put your sequence first, because that sequence is what will be on top of the fabric. So since the sequence is meant to be on top of the fabric, you will put the sequence first. Then you will now, the right side of the sequence will face down. Then you will put your fabric, your already body pleated material, and the right side of the body pleated material will also face down. Okay, then of course you will now sew it. While you are sewing, you also have to be careful. For you to get your proper placement, I will advise that you use pin as a beginner to pin every part to the end before you start sewing. But I did not do so. I only started from the midpoint to sew and then turn it over and continue from the midpoint again to the other end. And of course, remember I said your bed must come out a little bit excess because you will need it to you will need it for your betting of the final result. Okay, so if it did not come out, you can see how well my own is coming out there. If you don't bring it out properly, when you try to like use the bed to wrap over the material and sew, it will be difficult for you. Okay, all right, so you see how I turned mine and I am sewing it. If you watch closely, you understand what I am doing. But take my advice as a beginner, just use pin to pin everything before you start sewing. That will be the best way for you to handle it. And because it's sequence, your needle, or let me say your thread, your thread can just be cutting, okay, because of the sequence. Mm. So you have to be careful to don't speed your machine. If you are using all this direct drive machine, it's very good for beginners. Direct drive, any direct drive is very good. So let's bet it now. So you see how I folded. Now you can do a pattern to just bet only the sequence. You can do a pattern to bet just your sequence, and also you can do a pattern to bet both of them. This design I belt both the fabric and the sequence. I will do another design where I will bet just the sequence. Okay, so that is beginners class. If you are not a beginner, the class is not for you. Okay, so of course we will now go ahead and sew. So when it is time to sew, you are not going to sew the sequence along with it. We have some patterns where you have to sew both the sequence and the fabric, but for this particular one we are not going to sew the sequence and the fabric. We are just going to sew only the fabric. So you can see what I just did. I took the fabric. Make sure you are using the wrong side. Okay, so I just took the fabric from the bed, pull it very close to each other. All right, very close to each other, and then you now use your machine and sew just that straight line. Then you stop, because under it you will need to include your sequence. So you first sew the straight line and then stop. Okay, then you will go under and include your sequence. Again, there are different ways of placing under. One, you can just gather your sequence in one part, in one position, or you can spread your sequence along the lines for the under. I spread along the line, but I think I would prefer gathering it in one part. So in the next tutorial that I will do about this sequence, I will show you the gathering in one part instead of spreading it. But again, let me show you how to spread it first. So when you see how to spread and how to gather it in one part, it's you that will then decide which one you prefer to use. Okay, so that's it. So I'm done sewing it straight now. I'm done sewing it straight. So only the white is what I sew. So let's see it. Let's see. This is how it is. So you see that the sequence is minding its own business. It's not included in it. Okay, it's minding its own business. So but under, we have not covered the under, so we are going to go under to cover. Now to cover the under, it's either you gather it in one point or you spread it. Okay, so I spread mine. I spread it, so you can see what I'm doing. Just spread it along the lines. Spread it along the lines of the fabric. Okay, so you spread the bottom and spread the top, and then you just simply go in by like half or 1 inch to top stitch it, and you are good to go. All right, so that's it. That's just it. Let's see the continuation, and I don't think there will be questions, so let me allow you to just watch. Thank you.